Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Python to automatically find and delete duplicate files in a folder. If you've ever noticed your computer filling up with the same file over and over, this script will help you clear up that unnecessary clutter. Step 1. Import the required modules. First, we're going to import two important modules, OS and hashlib. The OS module helps us navigate the files on our system, and hashlib lets us generate a unique fingerprint or hash for each file. This way, even if two files have different names, if the content is the same, the hash will match, and we can treat them as duplicates. Step 2. Define the function to calculate file hashes. Next, we need to calculate the hash of each file. We'll define a function that reads the file in chunks and creates the hash. Here, we're using the MD5 algorithm, but you could use other hash functions if you prefer. Step 3. Find duplicate files. After that, we loop through all the files in the folder and calculate their hashes. We store each hash in a dictionary. If a file's hash is already in the dictionary, we know it's a duplicate. When we find duplicates, we'll delete them to free up space. Step 4. Delete the duplicate files. Finally, after we've identified and deleted all the duplicate files, the script will print a message letting us know it's done. Step 5. Running the script. Just save the script as delete duplicates I, then run it in your terminal or command prompt. The script will automatically find and delete any duplicate files in the folder you specify. That's it. You now have an automated solution to clean up your folder and get rid of duplicate files. A copy of the script will be added in the description. If this helped you, feel free to subscribe for more productivity tips using Python.